Copied here. So what is the answer? 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the box. Along with what? Commas. Exactly not came, but still manage. So now run the code now. Okay. What is the next topic we are going with? What now? Zip. What is the zip? Suppose just I wrote this word zip only there. I don't pass this list to all those things. Then the code will not work. If I only pass there what now? Zip. My code is not going to what now? Work. Okay. So if I only pass now zip, nothing is going to happen now. See now, run the code. Anything happened there? No. Because I did not write the print statement there. Now I remove the what now? Print statement. Now clear screen. Now again run the code. See there. What is coming there? Zip object at this address. That's it. I'm getting only what now there? Address. But I'm getting their answer? No. But now before the path or before the what method, I'll be keeping the what? List or tuple, whatever it is there. Now clear screen. Now run the code. I'm getting the now 10, 11. What I'm getting 20, 2, 30, 3, 40, 4. So, but you told what you'll be getting 11, all those things now. There also will come. First you copy this also. But how can I get instead of copying their what comma, keep their what less. That's the only thing. Now run the code. Got they will come. Okay. But first you do this part. So comma. You have to go line by line. Okay. So how will be getting the answers now? 10, 1, 20, 2, all this. Inside you'll be getting what? Tuple. Outside it is what? What it is listed. Copied. Okay. Basic thing you have seen now. How will I get the answers here? If I pass n1, n2, how will I get the answers here now? Vertical direction, what is side by side? How will I get now here? 10 here, what I'll get now? What is actually there? 10. Next, 20, 30, 40, 50. This comma will give me what? Space. What is the value of y from where to where? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then what last? 5. Now run the code. See there. Make a note of this one. N1 and N2 values are taking from the above 2 lines. Okay. Done. Now, see here what I'm doing now. Instead of comma, I'm keeping the what now? Less. Now run the code. What I'll be getting? See here properly now. But previously happened before this for loop. previously happened here. If I keep there is a zip of n1 comma n1 plus n2, if a pass there happening there, no. But to make this happen, I have to use their what for loop, where n1 and n2 values I'm taking from this what 2 lines. I'll just copy these 2 lines, keep in comment. I'll paste them out here below. Okay. So clear scheme. You can pass your own values there. Now what will come there? 10 plus 1, 11, 20 plus 2, 22, 30 plus 3, 33, 40 plus 4, 44, 50 plus 5, 50, 55. Okay, sir, suppose you pass what extra value there, 60. Nothing happens now. Khatam, till 55 only again. Clear scheme there, run the code. Matching only khatam, that's it. 60 for whom will match there, from whom will add there. 0 passed there. Okay. Okay, if I have the extra variable also not counted. Even if I have a suppose example like what 45, 55. What will be the answer again there? Same. But here also if I have suppose like what 60 here, and if I have here suppose here what 4. What will be the answer? Last answer there now? 64. Now run the code. But the clarity now? Extra variable there, here not there, will not happen. Nothing is going to happen. No error, nothing there. There printed, not there, nothing going to happen. So clear scheme, run the code. Perfectly copy. These things will be understanding when you're writing the coding exams. Now it will look very, very easy, or light will take now. 2-3 interviews you attend, then you'll understand. Over? Okay. But now how many times can you pass like this values? From 1 to 20, 30, 40, if I pass, time will take. If I want, suppose 500 there, after pass like this 60, 70, 80. That's why we have used what while for this range concept, where range can be printed with the help of what for loop. Now what will be the answer here now? First, what value here? 10, 10, 20, no, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will come? No, because range value minus 1. What is the y part there? 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the last one there? Up. Now what I'm doing there, x plus y. 10 plus 1, how much? 11. Here what? 13. Here what? 15. Last is what there? 17. This is my prediction. What is the answer there? 11, 13, 15, 17. So let us see answers will come correct around there. Run the code. You can do multiplication, you can do addition, whatever it is, you can do it there. Okay, make a note of this one. And this topic you today perfectly practice. Okay, zip, bool you can take light, but you still copy. Okay, try once. Keyword, this one you have to try. Copied. Okay. If you multiply, what is the answer now? Will work or not work? Work. Some answers will come. We can't say what. Okay. 10 into 1, 10, 20, 12 into 2, something. Okay. So any number you can pass and try once. Okay. But be perfect at this one. This will at least I'm saying now 80% of your coding rounds will be very, very fixed with this one. Okay. Be perfect with this zip file. Okay. Now, next topic is optional but not compulsory because you're not going to understand this topic. Because I have the lengthy topic there. This topic just first of all, I have to install one module called as one package called as what? Faker. How to install? So first of all, I'll just import there. Now you can see it is coming in what now? Yellow color there. Yellow color it comes as what I have not installed in my system till now. So if I type there, if I run this code, what I'll get? No module name Faker have been installed till now. So run the code now. Module not find error. No module name what? Faker. So if you don't install some package but trying to use this error, you get there. Make a note of this one. If you have not installed any module or package but you're trying to use this error, you're going to get always. Make it fast, okay? So what will be getting the error there? Module not found error, where M capital, N capital, F capital, E capital. What will be getting there? No module named so and so. Here what topic I'm using now? What? Faker here. Done. So now clear screen. Now I have to install. How I have to install or how I have to know? First of all, open a browser there. I can install it directly. Already I know. Pip install Faker, but we don't know. We don't know. So what I'll be doing now? Open browser. Open there what py.org. In this type there what? Faker. Press enter there now. Getting there what now? Latest. So what's the command there? Pip install Faker. F capital or smaller? Can write both things, okay? But here starting you have to write the dot small. Here what capital. Like how you have seen for import decimal from decimal, all those things. Now paste here now. Enter. So it will get now what? Installed. So what is syntax to install? Pip space install Faker. So successfully what install? This message you're getting only when you're having the net connection there. Net connection not there, but trying to use will not work. Okay. So compulsory what is net connection required to install any modular package. Now clear screen. See, still you're observing the yellow color there. Okay, just save the code once, close it, again open it one more time. Now coming a yellow color there. So when you have installed the package or module, you have to close, again you have to open once. Simple. Now, what is syntax I'm using there? I have taken a variable name called as what? Fake data. You can take any variable there. You can take a equal to faker also. But remember, you have to take here what? Capital F. Take there what? Capital F. Now, I want some name there. Fake name. Now run the code now. Some name will get random name. What I got there? Anthony Harris. I may get some name, any name. Christopher Huffman. Patrick Gardner. Some random names. These things you not understand because you're not going for what testing or something there. Okay. When I require, when I have something I want to trial, something I want to test, that time this will be useful for me. Okay. But as of now, nothing will understand this topic there. Why these names you want, all these things. Okay. So here I want some names there. I can generate what names with the help of this water module. I can even get their water mail ID also. So run the code once again. I got the what mail ID also. I can even get what password also. So clear skin once, run the code. Even I can get what address also. Now address will be very big. Don't think real address again. Don't go tomorrow by booking a flight. Really, that's this sort of Francisco Buron there at this place again. First of all, this one name having no link with this email having no link with this password, all these things. These are all what just fake there. Okay, there's a name faker there now. Okay, so you can get what name, mail ID, password, address, mobile number by you next module again. Okay, this is the first thing you have seen now. No. Next part. Next part is what here? See, this Open PyXL I have not told you because these are all upcoming topics, but just I'm showing you what now? Tailor part. That's a tailor part. So, like how you're having math module. Okay. So till now, what are the modules you have seen now? Math module you have seen. Then what you have seen now? Keyword. What else? Decimal. From decimal. Fractions. Yes. Play sound you have seen. Starting basic for understanding escape sequences. Okay. So how many have seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you are going to see one more package. Now you see what this time you have seen what? Faker. Okay. Now the next concept is what there? Open PyXL. Not concept, just your basic there. Okay. This Open PyXL will open what? Excel files. Which type of files? Excel files. What is the module name there? Open PyXL. Open PyXL. And even we have even what? XLRD also. XLRD. Don't want to confuse, just you can see there here. Open PyXL for what? Opening the Excel files. Even you can use install what? XLRD to read the CSV files. Then you have pandas topic, all matplotlib, all those things. As of now, just to focus on what? Open PyXL. Not able to understand? Simply, you can go to PyPy, then type there. Open PyXL. You'll get the clarity there. A Python library to read or write Excel files. What is syntax there? Pip install Open PyXL. Okay, come here. Because I'm not installed, I'm installing in front of you now. So pip install Open PyXL. Even you can uninstall also. Okay, so now I'm installing there. Successfully what now? Installed. So again, if I don't want to see this yellow color, what I have to do there? Close, again open. Now coming yellow color there now? No. If I again try to install now, what I'll be getting? Requirement already satisfied. So pip space install Open PyXL. PyXL. Enter. What I'll be getting there? Requirement already satisfied because already I have installed there. Again, if I try to install, what I'll be getting? Requirement already satisfied. Now, how to uninstall also let me know once. Pip space uninstall. So answer module. Okay. Now, I have taken one variable name called as what? WB. Workbook. If you have some knowledge of Excel there. So let me open the Excel once. Okay, I'll be using here what? All advanced. So till now, I think don't know, but people say they are using 13, 10, 7, 19, so and so. I am using what? 2021. All I want latest things only there. All things there formatted. Khatam. Okay. Even people they say Yesterday that one talk happened. Why you are teaching students 3.10.1? Better one day that only we have to use. Still some people that are teaching on 3.7, 3.8. I don't know why. That is different topic now. But I want all what latest things only there. Latest things only there now. If latest not there, metro not there, we have relays. Why still we need metros? Why still we need parts? Why all other apps? Why will not Swiggy? Why only Zomato again? To make what consumer purpose or make what customers feel comfortable, more easy, more convenient. Okay, same here now. So I'm making on the workbook there. So let me open there. Open home. This called as what? Workbook. You can see now workbook there. Plain blank workbook. And inside this part is called as what? Cell. Okay. Now what is Excel? Surf Excel. What is Excel? Where there is a white border with something. Tell me a definition of Excel at least. From first class you're using now. How many had computer labs in the schools? Had na? I was interested from first class only. So from first class onwards, I was in charge of computer lab. Today here. What you do in the school's days or what you're doing in your childhood days, that only thing will become. What you do in your childhood days, that only will become. Something you're thinking. Thinking what you have done. Excel full form. It contains what? Rows and columns. Simple. Combination of rows and columns is called as what? Excel. Even you can call as what? What is table? Rows and columns. Excel also what? Rows and columns. Combination of multiple cells is called what? Excel. Okay. Again, in this depth we don't go because depth if we go, it will become different world again. We only want now what basic there. Okay. Now what next job there? Why multiple I have opened now? Okay. Only one enough. Next, what I have to open there? What active? I want to make this what worksheet as what now? Active. I want to type something over here now. Okay. Now, what I have taken there now? First of all, I have to make that worksheet what active there. Okay. So I have taken one variable called fake data. Just calling the faker now. Now I want 10 names. How many names I want there? 10 names. So starting from 1 to what? Now 10. What I pass row equal to what? I. Row equal to what? I. Okay. I row. Okay. Like this behind now. Yes, here. A1. A row, first one there. If I keep here, B, 5. Same thing here. I column equal to what? 1. Where I'm passing some values. That values will be stored in what now? In this variable there. Okay. Where I am trying to make one file call as what? Text data dot Excel SX. See, mostly your files will be in the Excel stored in the what format. If you say the file here or save, here, save on this PC desktop. Here you can see here. It will be what format there? Excel there. By default, what if it will be what? Excel SX. But when I'm going with pandas topic, there I'll be using what? CSV. Comma separated. Where comma separated? CSV, yeah. CSV, here, 1, 2, comma, delimited. Yeah, here, this one, comma, delimited. Full form is CSV full form what? Comma, separated values. Okay, this will understand after 10, 5, 6 days. Okay, but now just remember your files will be stored in what format there? Excel SX. Okay, but before going there, where this file will be saved? I want to know where I am first of all, at what path I am. Now, indirectly you're learning now what? Linux. Now, indirectly learning what now? Linux. So here in terminal window, type there what? PWD. What is the full form of PWD? Present working directory. Present working directory. These are all what? Linux commands. Okay. So in this Python, you're going to learn what? 5 Linux commands. How many Linux commands? 5 Linux commands. To separately take 5 Linux class will take around separate cost again. Okay. Telling free concept properly. Okay. Present working directory. Because separately if I tell now, then again big matter will become there. Why telling all this will happen? Okay. What is the meaning of directory? Nothing but what in a simple language? Folder. In the Linux we call as what? Directory. Here we call as what? Folder in the Windows. So PWD full form is what? Present working directory. Make a note of this full form there first of all. Total Linux part I'm not teaching, just what basics. Because in the resume you have to keep now what operating system, you know what you'll keep there. In our time I used to keep there what you can't imagine also. I used to keep Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. This many I kept. Ubuntu I kept, CentOS I kept, Ubuntu I kept. That's it. In your resume, what will keep there? Which operating system you're using? What will keep? Huh? Which operating system you're using for Excel, running Python programs? What operating system you have used? Only one thing will mention in the resume. I know. We'll make one box. Let me tell you how we'll make. Suppose this is what resume there. Something you like there. Bluff. Here we'll be writing what languages. Python will write. Okay, Python 3 or Python? Python 3. Okay, but here when you're coming what other technical skills like what are the operating systems you have used? OS. Here in my time what I've used here, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, all those I have used. What you will be keeping simply now? Windows 10. Windows 10 or Windows what? 11. Khatam. Yes or no? That's it. Khatam. You don't have much things. XP expired there. Even by mistake also, like if you copy my resume, khatam again there. If you keep XP 7, all those things, this file is outdated or resume not updated. Leave this fellow, leave this girl. Khatam. XP expired. Yes or no? 7 expired. 8 is what flopped version. So what can keep only now? Windows 10 or Windows 11. Again, my part again, if you discuss, different will be there again. Nothing will understand again. If I can keep there what CentOS, not Mintos. Okay, it is CentOS. You won't understand this topic. Then you have what in the system colleges will be having what? Ubuntu. That's why starting day I discussed types of operating system. Remember? This is a reason. Such that at least I don't know. 99% I'm saying no student will check what is CentOS, what is Ubuntu, what is this thing. But when writing a resume, then they'll understand. How it is looking empty, check once there. How it is looking empty there. Windows 10, 11, khatam, empty. But if I keep my resume there, how will I keep there? It's just simple there. I'll be writing like this. OS, previously I had there. Or suppose latest example, latest there. I'll be keeping there what? Windows 10 or 11, Ubuntu, CentOS, OpenSUSE, many are there. This you won't understand. Kali Linux. Yeah, OpenSUSE. Open SUSE. Now this thing you understand. That's what I'm saying now. Some things I can't tell. I'm saying now. They're not there. So some things if I tell not understand, that's why I won't speak sometimes. Or in my own language, I'll be speaking something. But what you be thinking, sir, something murmuring only. Because some things I know which can't I discuss with anyone there. Khatam. Other country people, they have knowledge, we can talk, khatam. But here, so that's why sometimes you have to talk alone also. Like hot, Shizena. We'll talk alone also. So some many things are there which I can't discuss all those things. So OpenSUSE is also one kind of what operating system. But think like now what your resume there. Can you keep like this? Can you keep? That's why have some knowledge. I'm saying it's basic at least. When I say something, at least go home, Google at least once. Sir told okay, something he told khatam, enough, fine, khatam. Totally open. If I told everything there, mechanic fellow will not say. Petrol work is there, petrol work will see there. First making chain work, separate amount will charge or sale say come tomorrow. Yes or no? No, by light work there, just check one sale say. Same thing, everything hang on different concept there. If I go with separate concept, separate will be there. Ubuntu is one topic, CentOS is one topic, Kali Linux, one operating system, OpenSUSE there, Solaris is there, okay, Raspberry Pi OS there, okay, many Android one system, Mac, okay, but all these are not important here. Now, how you keep in the resume, that is important here. So if you are keeping in the resume, keep at least what? Few things like what? Keep the what? Don't keep OpenSUSE, this you don't know. Don't keep Kali Linux, which you don't know only. Don't keep CentOS, which you don't know, Red Hat OS. Keep only what there, what? Ubuntu. At least keep the what? Ubuntu. Somewhere I used at least. That's it. But only Windows, if you mention, there is a chance, okay? Maybe rejection chance is there. So if you know, don't know also, it's fine, but keep the what? Ubuntu. At the last, I'll be showing you how to make Ubuntu also. Okay. At the last, I have the Ubuntu. Time up. This thing. When you want job, that time will come. That time I know how to ignore. Leave it. So simply what now? What is the file I have to know? PWD. Full form is what? Present working directory. So in which path now? Check there here. C drive, users, JAWS, HD, music, HD Python files, Python by HD, Python programs, PYTB. Now, if I want to know what are the files listed here, what are the files here? They're in this directory, in this folder. ls is the command. ls means what? A list of files. So already I have the file called as what? Text data there. There or not there? But do you have anything file called as 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Python? I have any file here called as 2 p.m. Python there. So ls, check once here. This is what command line CLI, command line interface. If you're not able to understand, let me explain in your language there. Open folder, go to Python programs, go to PYTB. You can see there I am in this path, C drive users, Python by programs, PYTB. In this bool fake ID there, you don't have any file name called as what? Python 3 p.m. Python 2 p.m. There are not there. Now the same thing I am typing here what by using ls command. So I want to make one file called as what now? 2 p.m. python.xls file. Now let me run the code now. So clear screen now, everything there now, and you can see that there is no such file there. Clear screen. Now run the code. Done. You're not able to see, yes or no? No. If I type the ls command here now, clear screen there now. Type the ls command. You can see there 2 p.m. Python Excel file. What time? 15:29. Okay, which is today's date. Really created or not created? In your language, I have to show you now. Then come back here. Check there. There a file. Now when I open this file, you'll be getting there what 10 names. How many names are there here now? 10 names. Yes or no? Because only I ask there what only what names there. You can check there. Only ask there what names. If you ask there what email ID, password, all these things, then all things will come. Okay. But starting you won't understand. That's why basically I kept there. When I go with the what pandas concept, the time will again same topic will come there again. Okay. Over. So clear screen. We'll stop till here. Okay. Means Indian names, no. In this, they kept what that's the thing will come there. We can make our own package also. That's the last. We can make our own package, but those things you don't do now. Wrong things you'll do, I know. We have seen our memes, dark memes. So what happens when you unlock a brain up to 100%? So few things I'm not telling you. Why? Because unnecessary things you'll do. Unnecessary things is what system name will change, that your name will change. Those things you should not do there. Okay. So stop till here only, okay? Selenium part I thought of telling, but Selenium part, don't want. Just 5 minutes I'll tell, okay? As you wish. Rough I'll tell, openly I won't tell. Those who want to pack up, they can pack up. This is what, first of all, let me tell you, this faker, this Selenium is not part of your course. Only to make you understand where Python can be applied practically, that I'm saying you, okay? No one will show you this, all these things. Ask any of your friends or anyone there. Here I want to show why, because so practically can apply where Python can be learned. C language you have learned. Applied anywhere? Anywhere applied? C language, I think people learn na C language. Practically applied anywhere? Java language is applied anywhere? But Python totally what real time. Play sound you have seen, so answer topic. This also, Selenium is also one topic, real time. So only people who are having interested for them also, the remaining can pack up. And don't see for namesake. Class over, pack up. Pack up, 70 pack up. I can understand. I got see in place of you, I'm saying you're all great only, okay? In place of you, one day I sat there, some Excel class or some class. I can't able to sit more than for 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes, I can't sit on the chair. Only this chair I can sit. Okay, tomorrow we'll see again, okay? Better. Tomorrow we'll see, stop till you, okay? Tomorrow we'll start. Tomorrow we'll see the Selenium part, then we'll continue, okay?